And today it's Size King Videos, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Hungry Shark not opening up. So first, install ES File Explorer or FX File Explorer. On the home screen, go to Zero, Android, Data. Sorry about that, guys, it didn't recognise it on the ES File Explorer, but I tried it on FX and it recognises it. Go to the folder. Now clear cache and delete the cache folder. Next, go to clear all of this. Clear this, clear this. Clear these tombstones. And keep these 3 files. I think we should keep library just in case. Now clear the cache. And now you can open Hungry Shark. And it should work. Just like that. And not only that, but it might recognise my save. And just like that, guys, it recognised my save and it recognised everything. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the like.